Own NFTs from other platforms and want to bring them to Crypto.com? In this video, I'll show you how to deposit external NFTs into your Crypto.com wallet. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While Crypto.com has its own NFT marketplace, you can also store NFTs from other platforms in your Crypto.com wallet, provided they're on a supported blockchain. First, ensure your NFT is on a compatible network like Ethereum, Kronos, or Polygon. You'll need your Crypto.com DeFi wallet address for the specific blockchain. Go to your external wallet or platform where the NFT is currently stored. Initiate a transfer to your Crypto.com DeFi wallet address. Pay the gas fees required for the blockchain transfer. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your NFT will appear in your Crypto.com wallet, usually within minutes. A crucial pro tip: always send a small, test NFT first if you're moving valuable assets. Double-check the receiving address and network compatibility. Remember that once deposited, you can view and manage these external NFTs alongside your Crypto.com marketplace acquisitions. And just like that, you've unified your NFT collection in one convenient wallet. Depositing external NFTs gives you a consolidated view of your entire digital collection. What's the most valuable external NFT you've deposited to your Crypto.com wallet? Share below. For collection viewing, subscribe for our next video on how to view Crypto.com NFT collection. Thanks for watching.